Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome on in. I hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson, here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into Audit Logs. I'm going to show you how to find out what is happening inside of your account, when it's happening, where it's happening, who's doing it, and what time it's happening at. Yeah, all this stuff. Basically, Audit Logs are going to be the system feedback that is being presented every time an action occurs inside of your account. So if you have contractors inside of your workspace as collaborators, for instance, and you want to see what they're doing or when they're doing it, now you can. It's kind of like you're spying on the behind the scenes operation or what's actually taking place. It can also serve a purpose when there's an error or you're trying to find out who did what, and maybe something was done wrong. Now you know who did it and you can track it back and maybe have a conversation to go and fix it. This is going to help out with a lot of things like that. Anyways, let's go and dive into it. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, where to find it, how to break it down, and so much more. All right, let's go and jump over to my screen here and get started. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our Quick Start Blueprint ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Kicking things off here from our dashboard, let's go ahead and click on Workspace Settings in the bottom left side of the screen, which will bring us to the Workspace Settings default page or general page. From here, just hover down until we see the option for Audit Logs. This guy right here. It's the very last item that's listed there. In the Audit Logs, we can see a micro breakdown or description of what actually took place. We see whether or not that was successful or not. We can see who did it. We can see the target here. So it's essentially like where did it take place. After that, we can see the previous value and completed value. This really only comes into play when you're adding new collaborators. For instance, down here, I added a new collaborator to my workspace. You can see their previous role, and then you can see their new role after adjusting that assignment. And then beside that, you can see the actual occurrence dates, so the date and time. And that is basically it. Again, Audit Logs are going to be the central area where you can see a nice overview of the action taking place inside of your workspace. It helps people stay accountable. It helps make sure that you can track things back to a certain area, whether it's maybe something got deleted and you're like, who the heck did this? Why would they do this? Now you can go and actually ask them, you know who it is, and you can see where their head was at, whatever. This is going to be really, really helpful when it comes to working with contractors and other people that you're bringing in, or team members that you're bringing into your workspaces to manage things and make sure everything is floating properly. Okay, if you have any questions around anything that we covered here today, make sure to let me know down below. I'm happy to help. I'll point you in the right direction and make sure that you are on the correct course. All right, with that said, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.